Hey, today folks, we're going to be talking about the 2318G. It's a tent trailer. It has a lot of room, and if you have a small vehicle, this is an awesome item that you can purchase. Follow me, I'll show you how much room it is on the inside. All right, you come in. As you can see, you have two beds on this and two big beds. Two big beds on this one. Bed on this side and a bed on that side. Okay. In between those two beds, that's a smaller bed, you have the dinette where you can get at least 6 people there. You have this big bench right here where you can at least get 5 people sitting there. So you can have the whole family here, get some trays, and everybody will be in here together. Then the awesome part about this one is, oh yeah, if you want to, this one has a toilet, and you can get one without the toilets in the shower. Okay guys, and this also comes with the 3-burner stove top, and you get a fridge, and it has heat inside as well. Then if you come around here, this folds into a bed. You have storage under here, storage under there, and this makes into a big bed also, like that. So then let's step outside. This one also comes with the barbecue grill that hooks right here. Comes with the hook and everything. And then also your LP hookup is right there. And you also have a 110. And if you come around the back here, you just push all this in, and we'll show you how to operate this and how to put it in if you're a beginner. Follow me. This is the slide right here that the dinette is on. And if you come around here, these are your hookups. I wanted to show you this. Even comes with the outside shower, and it also comes with a 30 amp plug-in, not solar, sorry about that. It is prepped for AC, so if you wanted to add an AC to that, you can do that. So hey, this is Anthony.Fuller, the Ant-Man. Give me a call if you have any questions about any of the tent trailers. I'll answer the best of my ability. 541-653-2818. Thank you.